Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and I'm really excited to share today's video with you. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me keep making great content for you. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, this is a question and this is an Olympiad question and it's a little bit tricky. So we have a plus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over, and you can see it is repeated. Okay, let me call this expression A equals to this one. And as you can see, in the denominator, we have exactly the same value, which is A. So I'm gonna consider this A again. So we can simplify this expression as this. A equals to 1 plus 1 over A. Okay, and now we are going to solve this equation to find the value of A. Okay, so let me bring 1 and 1 over A to the left side of this equation. A minus 1 over A equals 0. You know that when you bring one term from one side of the equation to the other side, the sign would be changed. Okay. And now we have A in the denominator. In order to get rid of this, I'm gonna multiply this equation by A to get rid of this A. Okay, and now we know that we should multiply A by all terms of this equation. A times A is A squared. A times negative 1 is minus A. A times negative 1 over A is negative 1 equals 0. So we have a quadratic equation. And there are different strategies to solve any quadratic equation. You can use factorizing or what else, but I prefer to use quadratic formula. You know that quadratic formula is x equals to negative b positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And what are a, b, and c? In a standard form of quadratic equation, we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So a is coefficient of x squared, and you can see that coefficient of a squared is 1. So a is 1. And now b is coefficient of x, which is negative or negative 1 here. And c is constant, which is negative 1 here. Okay, and now all you have to do is substitute a, b, and c into this quadratic formula. Okay, so x equals to negative b, which is positive 1, positive and negative. A square root of b is negative 1 squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so 1, positive and negative. So negative 4 times 1 times negative 1 is positive 4, and negative 1 squared is positive 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5, radical 5 over 2. So we have two answers, 1 plus radical 5 over 2, 1 minus radical 5 over 2. But one of these answers is correct because a is a positive value, so you have 1 plus something. So this is a positive value. But we have two answers here. One of them is not valid, and this one is not valid because radical 5 is 2 and something, so 1 minus 2 and something is a negative value, is a negative number. So because a is a positive number, so this one is not valid. But 1 plus radical 5 over 2 is valid and is a positive value. So the answer is a equals to 1 plus radical 5 over 2, your final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.